Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips. Today, we're diving deeper into the fascinating world of lemongrass, also known as fever grass, a tropical herb that's rich in history, packed with health benefits, and bursting with flavor. Ready to discover why this humble grass is hailed as a powerhouse in wellness? Let's go! Before we get into its benefits, let's appreciate where lemongrass comes from. Native to the tropical regions of Southeast Asia, lemongrass has been cultivated since the 17th century, with historical records in the Philippines highlighting its importance in traditional medicine and cuisine. Over time, it spread across countries like India, Thailand, Vietnam, and Sri Lanka, where it became a household staple. Fun fact: India is the largest exporter of lemongrass products today. In the early 20th century, lemongrass even made its way to Haiti and the US, and commercial cultivation began shortly after. That's how fever grass went global. So, what makes lemongrass so special? It's not just a fragrant herb, it's a natural remedy that offers a range of health benefits. Let's unpack them. Lemongrass is your ally in reducing inflammation. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, headaches, or muscle aches, its compounds help calm pain and swelling naturally. Thanks to its diuretic properties, lemongrass encourages your body to flush out toxins through urination. This supports kidney and liver health, keeping your system in tip-top shape. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, it strengthens your immune system, helps fight infections, and protects your cells from oxidative stress. Feeling stressed or anxious? Sip on a warm cup of lemongrass tea. Studies suggest it has calming effects that can ease anxiety, improve sleep, and even sharpen mental clarity. True to its name, fever grass has been used in traditional medicine to lower fevers. It promotes sweating to help regulate body temperature. Lemongrass is known to soothe the stomach, reducing bloating, indigestion, and cramping. Its antibacterial properties also help prevent digestive infections. Preliminary research suggests lemongrass can help lower cholesterol and improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. Here's where lemongrass shines beyond the teacup. Packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties, it's amazing for skin care. It helps reduce blemishes and excess oil, leaving your skin refreshed and glowing. Lemongrass strengthens hair follicles, promoting healthy growth and reducing dandruff. Its citrusy aroma doesn't just smell amazing, it repels mosquitoes and other pesky insects. Speaking of lemongrass oil, its uses are endless. From aromatherapy that lifts your mood to disinfecting surfaces and cleaning with its antimicrobial properties, this essential oil is a must-have in your wellness kit. Let's not forget lemongrass's role in the culinary world. Whether it's adding a citrusy zing to Thai curries, Vietnamese soups, or Indian stir-fries, lemongrass is a game-changer. Here's how you can use it. Fresh stalks. These can be bruised or chopped to release their aromatic oils. Dried lemongrass, perfect for teas or spice blends. Powdered lemongrass, a convenient way to add flavor to marinades and dressings. Pro tip: pair it with garlic, ginger, chili, and coconut milk for mouth-watering dishes. Next time you cook, let lemongrass be your secret weapon. Do you use lemongrass in your daily routine? Whether it's for tea, cooking, or skincare, we'd love to hear your tips and tricks. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We're always excited to learn from our amazing community. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips for more weekly wellness content. Hit that bell icon for notifications, and let's continue this health journey together. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and don't forget to add a little lemongrass love to your life. Cheers.